Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday was another difficult day for upward participants, with about $907 million in long positions being closed by force. Moves of that size tend to create a lot of emotional noise in the market. So on days like this, it becomes especially important to step back and look at the broader structure instead of reacting to the short-term volatility. With that in mind, let us shift to the daily time frame, where the larger narrative becomes much easier to understand. Structurally, the current October to November 2025 formation is developing in a way that looks remarkably similar to the February to April 2025 pullback. In both sequences, price first slipped below the 21 EMA, failed multiple mid-cycle retests, and eventually transitioned into a full 21 to 50 EMA cross. At the same time, the 50 EMA began flattening and curling toward the 200 EMA, signaling a maturing corrective leg. Historically, this exact type of configuration has often aligned with late-stage reset phases rather than a complete breakdown of the macro trend. To illustrate this more clearly, when we take the Boris pattern from the March 2025 expansion, which was the move that followed the break of the descending yellow trend line, and map it directly onto the current environment, the proportional symmetry becomes extremely obvious. The duration and magnitude of that expansion, when projected forward from the present recovery zone, point toward a mathematically consistent extension into the 150,000 region sometime between February and May of 2026. This is not a random or speculative number. It is the mechanically implied upper boundary of the prior pattern, once it is scaled and overlaid onto the current corrective structure. It also aligns with Bitcoin's historical behavior, where deep resets into the 200 EMA have frequently acted as the springboard for the next major expansion phase. That recurring rhythm is what gives this analog statistical weight rather than making it just another hopeful projection. If this analog holds, and so far the symmetry has been surprisingly precise, then the right-side structure is not signaling a long-term failure at all. Instead, it's suggesting a late-cycle reset that could evolve into a powerful upward phase throughout Q2 of 2026, with 150,000 acting as the recurring mathematical target. And based on timing symmetry alone, the earliest signs of that recovery could begin appearing as soon as next week. As always, we will continue watching the charts closely. I will keep updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time insights. Thanks for leaving a comment, it really helps the channel. Click the like button if you got value from this video, and make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you stay updated. And see you in the next one.